how to jump from 650 to 750 credit score with these 5 easy tips. All right, so the first one is going to be checking your credit score. If you don't check your credit score, you won't know where you're currently at. That's plain and simple. The next one is paying your bills on time. That counts for 35% of your credit, so almost about half. So make sure you always pay them on time. You'll always have your credit score increase. The next one is focus on getting out of debt. That is the second highest factor when it comes to your credit score is amounts owed. So if you have too much debt and not paying it down fast enough, that is part of what is weighing you down. The next one is maxing out your credit cards. That also plays into amount owed and credit utilization. So whenever you are over on your credit utilization per credit card and overall, that will go ahead and contribute to your credit score falling. And then the next one is if you do end up having a credit mix, so like maybe an auto loan and a credit card, or maybe a house and a credit card, or an RV loan and a credit card, you'll always have your credit score increasing. And those tips should go ahead and help. Go ahead and comment for anything, and if you want to book me for a consultation, go ahead and contact me. Follow me on YouTube.